everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? We're at home right now, and on the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me kitty cat socks.
Woo! Alright, so kitty cat socks, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go ahead and open these things.
Okay, I'm gonna have to put it down.
Okay, I'm gonna nap now. So, look at these things. I may be wrong. Born to be a unicorn.
Actually, I may be wrong, but it's highly unlikely.
Oh, but it's highly unlikely. Oh, yes,
I'm gonna read all of it.
So.
You know you're in trouble when they call you by your full name.
Was it my fault? Did I do something wrong? These are so cute.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go start with the first one here.
Look, a real kitty! Okay, fine. Where's those scissors? Kitty.
Hi.
She's trying to give me this.
Oh, Miss Audrey.
How did we do this last time?
You stabbed it.
Yeah, these are kind of hard to get open.
Oh, don't hurt yourself.
Yeah.
Mommy didn't need the scissors. Mommy, superwoman.
Oh, you did.
Oh, those are so cute!
They are super cute.
Those are cute.
Kitty cats.
All right. So what's this? What did that one say?
Born to be a unicorn.
Okay.
These are all super cute.
Oh, those are so cute!
Cute.
Alrighty. You know you're in trouble when they call you by your full name.
Oh, I like those.
I think they have toilet paper around it.
It does.
That's super cute.
That's awesome.
My ear.
Was it
My fault? Did I do something wrong? Well, says you can never have too many cats.
Said the crazy cat lady.
No, that's always true. Okay, number 5. If I keep looking cute, they'll surely blame the dog.
We always blame the dog.
Because the dog always does it. Oh, these are cute too.
Oh wow! All right.
I like these. Scoot them over.
Into Audrey's territory. She's gonna knock them over with her tail.
I don't need.
Oh, sorry. No, I don't need a reason. I'm a cat.
That's true. Kevin, what are you doing? Kevin? Bad dog?
Kitty cat sleeping.
Oh, that's awesome. It's almost like the meme cat.
Yeah. 9 cat. Okay. Do not leave me. I can change. This one just says,
Those are great.
all you need is a cat. All you need is a
he's
cat. It's true. Taco cat spelled backwards is taco cat. And it's a cat holding a taco.
I hope those are taco cat.
And they better be. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, pull them off on the side. They're taco cats.
Yeah, and it says taco cat spelled backwards is taco cat.
I like taco cat.
I do too. Number 9, I came, I saw, I complained. That's
He's like a grumpy cat.
me. Not a unicorn. Looks angry. Okay, number 9, number 10. Wasn't me.
There's cats at play.
So cute. Okay, I didn't open that one, but Space Cat welcomes you.
I hope it's Space Cat.
That's Space Cat.
Is it a space cat?
Oh, cats with no space. Super cute.
Cute though.
Number
Okay.
11, number 12. Sure, go get the camera.
Audrey.
It's in the fishbowl.
That's awesome.
That's super cute.
That's very cute. Okay.
I regret nothing.
Come on, thumbs of steel.
I'm trying. Just says no.
Just no.
I like these.
Yep.
They might be my favorite.
Alright.
I don't want the toys that came in the box. I want the box.
That's Audrey.
If it fits, I sits.
Oh, this one's cute too.
Oh, looking at the fishes.
She
Super
never
cute.
meows.
She does if you.
Pick her up. I want to play on the bed, but no one is sleeping on it. Oh. This one's happy to be a unicorn.
He's a unicorn cat.
Alright.
Alright, so that was the 15 Days of Sock Kitty Socks. That was great.
I like all of them.
I do too.